This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly. Starting with pricing, hellotax uses a transparent subscription-based model designed for EU and UK VAT compliance rather than income tax preparation. Pricing is charged per country, with plans billed monthly or annually. The new seller plan starts at €49 per month per country and supports up to 500 yearly transactions with a single integration and email support. The OSS plan for physical and digital goods is priced at €89 per month and includes access to the OSS software, tax letter inbox, automated and manual quality checks, ready-to-file OSS reports, and submission handled on your behalf. Established seller pricing increases to €119 per month per country with unlimited transactions, unlimited integrations, a dedicated account manager, phone and email support, and annual accounting consultation. Larger businesses can opt for the 5 countries package at €470 per month, which includes multi-country coverage, priority handling, and extended advisory support. One-time VAT registration or takeover fees apply separately per country, making hellotax a service-oriented compliance platform rather than a filing utility. In contrast, Iris pricing follows a contract-based SaaS structure focused on UK tax professionals. Tax Essentials starts at around £10 per month for up to 5 clients under a 12-month contract with an additional per user fee. Tax Professional increases to approximately £60 per month with broader return support, supplementary pages, capital allowances, and dividend feeds. Tax Enterprise pricing is quote-based and targets larger firms requiring bulk filing, asset registers, multiple trades, and deeper HMRC integrations. While Iris pricing is lower on the surface, long-term contracts, user-based fees, and feature tiering mean total costs scale as firms grow and operational complexity increases. Moving into features, hellotax is built specifically for cross-border VAT compliance. For e-commerce businesses selling into the EU and UK, the platform handles VAT registrations, OSS and IOSS reporting, transactional monitoring, VAT calculations, tax letter management, and filing submissions handled by local experts. Automated quality checks reduce reporting errors, while integrations support major marketplaces and e-commerce platforms. Dedicated account managers guide users through VAT obligations, threshold changes, audits, and regulatory updates, making hellotax more of a managed compliance service than standalone software. From a pros and cons perspective, hellotax's biggest strength is specialization and risk reduction. It removes the operational burden of EU and UK VAT compliance for sellers expanding internationally and replaces fragmented self-filing with guided, expert-led processes. Subscription pricing bundles software with ongoing human expertise and regulatory oversight. The downside is scope and scalability. hellotax is not used for US income tax reporting, payroll, or general accounting, and per-country pricing can become costly for sellers operating across many jurisdictions with relatively low transaction volume or early-stage expansion needs. Switching to IRIS, this platform is designed as a full tax compliance and practice workflow solution for UK accountants and tax professionals. IRIS supports personal tax, partnerships, companies, and trusts with direct HMRC submissions, MTD compliance, VAT filing, and secure retrieval of client data from HMRC systems. Tax, professional, and enterprise tiers expand functionality to include supplementary pages such as CT600 schedules, capital allowances, full expensing calculations, dividend feeds, foreign tax credit relief, farmers averaging, asset disposals, business relief calculations, and jointly held income scenarios. Iris also integrates with Elements Cashbook, supports bulk online filing, stores multiple HMRC credentials, and includes checklist-driven workflows that helps standardize return preparation, review, and submission across teams. Iris emphasizes operational efficiency for UK practices, managing recurring client work at scale. Features like integrated client account production, asset registers, quarterly installment calculations, VAT and MTD monitoring, and long-term multi-year data storage support, ongoing advisory and compliance engagements. Enterprise users gain access to customizable workflows, enhanced reporting, bulk filing controls, and deeper integrations across payroll, HR, and accountancy modules. This positions Iris as a firm-wide operating system that connects tax, accounts, compliance, and practice management rather than a single-purpose tax tool. From a pros and cons standpoint, Iris's biggest advantage is breadth and regulatory alignment. It is deeply embedded in the UK tax ecosystem, supports complex and edge case return scenarios, and scales well for firms with growing client bases and compliance obligations. Centralized workflows reduce duplication, manual handling, and compliance risk across teams. The downside is complexity and commitment. Pricing requires long-term contracts, per-user fees can accumulate as firms expand, onboarding and configuration can be time-intensive, and the platform may be excessive for businesses or advisors who only need targeted tax compliance rather than full practice management infrastructure. Looking at ratings, hellotax holds a strong Capterra rating of approximately 4.6 out of 5 based on over 100 verified reviews. Users frequently highlight hands-on expertise, responsiveness, and reliable cross-border VAT support, particularly for EU and UK e-commerce compliance. Iris Software holds a Trustpilot rating of around 3.9 stars based on several thousand reviews. Positive feedback often focuses on functional depth, HMRC integration, and regulatory coverage, while critical reviews commonly mention customer support responsiveness, contract rigidity, and pricing complexity. As always, ratings should be interpreted cautiously and weighed against firm size, geography, and operational needs rather than viewed as absolute performance measures. Final takeaway, hellotax is best suited for US, UK, and international e-commerce businesses that need expert-led EU and UK VAT compliance and want filings managed end-to-end without building in-house VAT expertise. Iris is a stronger fit for UK accounting firms that require comprehensive tax compliance, deep HMRC integration, recurring client workflows, and scalable practice-wide systems under a single platform. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe for more deep dive software comparisons, and click the link below to explore both platforms and confidently choose the solution that aligns with your compliance strategy, client profile, and long-term business model.